Smoker grill combo barbecues are among the best things to happen to grilling. If you're like me, you absolutely love the taste of smoked food. I would do that all the time if I could, but unfortunately, on weekdays and other times, you don't always have the time for low and slow smoking. That's where Smoker Grill Combo comes in. There are many products available to choose Smoker Grill Combo, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Smoker Grill Combo from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill Offset Smoker. The Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill with Offset Smoker is perhaps one of the cheapest smoker grill combo models. It makes an excellent starter model. And by cheap, I mean it's really inexpensive, like under $200. But just because it's low price doesn't mean it's low quality. This grill is constructed of heavy-duty steel and is made to last. It has a 782 square inch cooking area to cook for up to 7 or 8 people. The height-adjustable charcoal pan with lifting handles allows for easy temperature control. Cool touchspring handles to protect your hands from heat. Porcelain enameled cooking grates hold heat well and give your food beautiful sear marks. The steel mesh front shelf keeps all of your essentials within easy reach. The built-in thermometer allows for precision temperature control, so that you can cook with confidence. You can enjoy grilling and smoking at the same time by using the offset firebox. This is great for preparing appetizers or side dishes while using the grill. The smoker has a built-in vent inside the door to let you easily control the temperature. Together with the offset smoker, the firebox forms an efficient heat transfer system. And a warming rack provides extra cooking space. Number 2. Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill Smoker. The Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker is our top choice for the best BBQ grill and smoker combo. It's essentially just like a Traeger model, but a couple of $100 cheaper. It works great, is extremely accurate, and you get excellent results with it. If you're new to wood pellet grills, they take all the guesswork out of smoking. The temperature can be controlled by a computer inside automatically. You're always maintaining +5 degrees of an exact temperature inside the grill smoker. When you can control the temperature accurately, you always get perfect consistent results. It comes with a nice size 513 square inch grilling area, and the wood pellet hopper will hold about 20 pounds of wood pellets. You can get different wood pellets based on what kind of flavor you want, like mesquite, hickory, all sorts of different ones. The Z-Grills is fairly efficient and doesn't consume pellets very quickly. It comes with an outstanding quality porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grate. I was really impressed with the build quality. It's just a great grill. This is just like the Traeger but just a couple $100 cheaper. Save yourself some money and get the Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. You'll make the best kind of meat you've ever smoked in your life. Number 3. Traeger Grills Pro Series. The Traeger Pro 780 has exceptional build quality. This thing is built like a tank. This is the last smoker grill that you'll ever need to buy. The quality that Traeger puts into this product is unbelievable. The hopper never jams, the steel on it will never dent. It's just exceptionally well made. And it's well thought out too. Things are very easy to clean out, even down to the small details like having extra heat shields between the digital controller and the dials and the actual cooking area inside. It's just the little things like that make all the difference. Another thing is you're going to get a very good quality grate with the Traeger. Many cheaper smokers come with an inferior quality stainless steel grate instead of a cast iron. On top of that too, the Traeger grate has a porcelain coating on it, so it's effortless to clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.